The brave young Cossack lad rode to distant war. Oh, the brave young Cossack lad, courage he did store. Far beyond this land of mine, enemy I'll face. Far across the distant plains, victory I'll embrace. Far away he bravely fought, bold in every fight. Far away he learned the truth, wisdom dark as night. Home he came in silence wrapped, troubled, lost in thought. All the laughter from his lips vanished, left with naught. Tell us now, dear Cossack boy, what did war impart? Tell us why such shadows lie heavy on your heart. Quietly he took his seat, eyes fixed on the floor. Softly did he share his grief, burdened evermore. For I thought was noble friends, truth I went to save. Honored seemed the soldier's path, valorous and brave. But the truth is harsh, my friends, bitter beyond words. Once a bullet leaves the gun, it cannot reverse. Bullets have no heart or mind, care not who they find. Be it general or child, fate is cold and blind. Shell explodes and dreams are gone, scattered in the dust. Ranks and titles matter none, all laid down unjust. Silent fell the brave young man, bright eyes turned away. Glory, honor, valor's name brought him no more sway. Cossack soul now filled with grief, fighting lost allure. War was nothing like the songs sung in days before. Different songs he once had sung, seeking fame and pride. War invades and